Welcome to another episode of Arun XLO presents Shankara Super Singer Season 4. The scientific reason behind our temples is that it has electric and magnetic fields which are attracted as positive energy. This positive energy goes through our foot to our body. With that thought, let's start our episode with our first batch of contestants.
You have sung in Hindustani style. I think it is Amit Kalyani. Beautiful rendition, very nice voice quality. All the best.
निगमान्तवर्णितमनोहररूपनगराजधरुड श्रीनारायण निगमान्तवर्णितमनोहररूपनगराजधरुड श्रीनारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण लक्ष्मीनारायण
A long way to go. You have a good voice for sure, but you can do better because we cannot assess the song. And after finishing the song, you were just taking up with the Kalpanaswaram, and your Adhara Shruti was different. So it's always better to start with a proper Pallavi and ensure that it's just going with. So for that, you need a training, and it's a good thing that you can start your training as a with a teacher, with a guru. If you start with the training, then you can get an access on a higher level, so that you'll get to know where your Shruti and Laya is all about.
Sandadarsha bhusuramanierapi chaharya jalam Sandadarsha bhusuramanierapi chaharya jalam Sandadarsha bhusuramanierapi chaharya jalam Sandadarsha bhusuramanierapi chaharya जालम श्री सरसि जनाभ भक्त यादवौघ भरितं श्री सरसि जनाभ भक्त यादवौघ भरितं क्वचन रुचिर हेम कुम्भ लसितमति विशालम् सन्ददर्श भूसुरमणि पमरि सनि सरि म सन्ददर्श सनि पनि पम पमरि मरि सनि सरि म सन्ददर्श रे म पनि पम पनि सनि मरि सनि प रे सनि पम सनि पमरि मरि सनि सरि म सन्ददर्श पम प रि म प सरि म प नि सरि म प नि प म प नि सरि म रे सनि प स नि
pamarima risarima sandadarsh.
You have a very beautiful voice, very good Hamsanadam, not a very frequently heard Kriti. Good rendition, enjoyed your crisp Alapana and also the Swara Prastaram. My suggestion would be you need to get closer to the mic or the device with which you are recording. So please make sure your voice is more louder in the next recording you send us. And also there is a bit of unsettlement in your voice, which is probably because of little bit of jitteriness that I can feel. So please warm up nicely and then do a recording so that your voice settles down well. And also try to get that slight shivering or vibrato out of your voice. All the best to you.
Shri Guru Ayurappan Shemam Nalgum Shri Guru Ayurappan Shemam Nalgum Shri Guru Ayurappan Shemam Nalgum Shri Guru Ayurappan நாமவல்லால் உய்வழி வேறு நாமவல்லால் உய்வழி வேறு நாமவல்லால் உய்வழி வேறு நாமவல்லால் உய்வழி வேறேது. ஓம் நமோ நாராயணா என்று உள்ளம் உருக உரைத்திடங்கும். ஓம் நமோ நாராயணா.
You sang in Karna Ranjani, very soulful rendition. Your voice was very soothing and I liked it very much. All the best.
गुरुवचोनी सांपटे ना सोया सद्गुरुवचोनी सांपटे ना सोया सांपटे ना सोया सांपटे न सोया सांपटे ना सोया सांपटे न सोया सद्गुरुवचोनी सांपटे ना सोया करावे ते पाया आदि आदि करावे ते पाया आदि आदि सद्गुरुवाचोनी सांपटे ना सोया.
Singing Sadguruvam Choni, it's a very popular abang, Marathi abang, or very beautiful to hear. And you have a good voice, but long way to go. If you practice, you can do much more good, and your presentation can really be progressed if you practice more. And also to learn traditional music is a very important thing. And if you start learning traditional music like Carnatic music or Hindustani, however you choose, it will be a great strength for you. Good luck.
Ramadan,
Good Varavallabharamana in Hamsadvani Raga. Good rendition. Overall, your alignment with Shruti and other aspects are good. Keep it up.
Those are some amazing performances. Time now for a small break. Welcome back to Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 4. Time to see our next batch of contestants.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಎನಿ ಕೊಲುವರೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಎನಿ ಕೊಲುವರೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಎನಿ ಕೊಲುವರೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಎನಿ ಕೊಲುವರೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಎನಿ ಕೊಲುವರೆ ಹರಿ ಅಚ್ಯುತಾಯನಿ ಪಾಡರೆ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮಾಯನಿ ಪೊಗಡರೆ ಹರಿ ಅಚ್ಯುತಾಯನಿ ಪಾಡರೆ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮಾಯನಿ ಪೊಗಡರೆ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷಾಯನಿ ಪಲುಗರೆ సిరివరయనుచును చలగరే జనులు పరమ పురుషాయని పలుకరే సిరివరయనుచును చలగరే జనులు గోవింద 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 ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಎನಿ ಕೊಲುವರೆ
Very pleasing voice and very neat rendition. All the best.
శివశక్తి రూపిణి శివశక్తి రూపిణి చక్రకాజ పాశాంకుశ 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 పాడేశ్వరుడ పాశాంకుశ పాడేశ్వరుడ శేషకల శేషకల పరిపాహి పాహి శేషకల పరిపాహి పాహి శ్రీ చక్రధ్వజ.
Sabash! What a beautiful song, a rare song of Sri Chakra Nilaye, GNB sir's composition. And in Ragam Shiva Shakti, usually people doesn't sing that. It's a 10th melam, Nataka Priya's Janyam, and very beautifully sung. I'm sure you have a deep root and background of Carnatic music, and I'm happy. And also, other judges will also accept this, that this season and the last season are seeing super talents, and it's very beautiful to see you all, and it's a learning experience for us also, because you have seen that from the last season I got inspired by one of the participants from Karahara Priya, and I did a single on Karahara Priya. The same way I will take this and do something on this raga. Good luck.
మనసా
Shobhilu Saptaswara in Raga Jagan Mohini. It needs a lot of work with respect to clarity of the notes. All the best.
ಇಂದುಯನಗೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದವ ತೋರೋ ಮುಕುಂದನೇ ಇಂದು ಎನಗೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದವ ತೋರೋ ಮುಕುಂದನೇ ಸುಂದರ ವದನನೇ ನಂದ ಗೋಪಿಯ ಕಂದ.
Always keep Shruti box when you're singing, and you need to take proper training to participate in a competition like this.
ಮಾಮವತು ಶ್ರೀ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಮಾಮವತು ಶ್ರೀ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಮಾಮವತು ಶ್ರೀ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಕಾಮಕೋಟಿ ಪೀಠ ನಿವಾಸಿನಿ ಮಾಮವತು ಶ್ರೀ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಕಾಮಕೋಟಿ ಪೀಠ ನಿವಾಸಿನಿ ಮಾಮವತು ಶ್ರೀ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ.
Good singing, good presentation, but a long way to go. As you know that this season demands a high standard. I appreciate your devotion in presentation, what you're doing, but you can really improve much more so that you can come with full force to participate with other participants. I hope you can take this in a good spirit. Good luck.
Hare Rangana Yare Rangana Yare Krishnana Yare Rangana Yare Krishnana Yare Rangana ಕರೆಯ ಬಂದವರು ಯಾರೇ ರಂಗನ ಯಾರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಯಾರೇ ರಂಗನ.
Good attempt. You definitely need a lot of practice with respect to learning the Raga Bhavam perfectly, and also getting the tune right, and also the way you modulate your voice. Definitely a guru's advice will definitely help you. All the best.
से कभी ना तू भूलना कोई तेरे खातिर है जी रहा जाए तो कहीं भी ये सोचना कोई तेरे खातिर है जी रहा तू जहाँ जाए महफूज हो तू जहाँ जाए महफूज हो दिल मेरा मांगे बस ये दुआ बातें ये कभी ना तू भूलना.
You've sung a film song, your voice is good, take proper training, and this competition is only for devotional music. I hope you understand. Thank you.
शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो भो 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 शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो गंगाधरा शंकरा करुणाकरा.
Good interest, but you should sing with Shruti, because in Carnatic music or any other presentation on a music background, it should go with the Shruti. Shruti Mata Laya Prita. It has to go with Shruti and the Laya together for any presentation. So your base Adhara Shruti was somewhere and you started with somewhere. So that's the reason that the Apasara was just there coming again and again, that it just obstructs the main song. That's the reason that I could not go. So I hope you take this in a good spirit and practice with that kind of energy, where like you listen to the song with Shruti and try to sing with the Shruti, practice more and then come back. Good luck.
వెంకటాచల నిలయం వైకుంఠపురవాసం వెంకటాచల నిలయం వైకుంఠపురవాసం పంకజనేత్రం పరమ పవిత్రం పంకజనేత్రం పరమ పవిత్రం శంఖచక్రధర చినుమయ రూపం వెంకటాచల నిలయం వైకుంఠపురవాసం వెంకటాచల నిలయం వైకుంఠపురవాసం సకల వేద విచారం సర్వజీవన నిఖరం సకల వేద విచారం సకల వేద విచారం సర్వజీవన నిఖరం మకర కుండలధర మదన గోపాలం భక్త పోషకం శ్రీ పురందర విఠలం వెంకటాచల నిలయం వైకుంఠపురవాసం వెంకటాచల నిలయం వెంకటాచల నిలయం వెంకటాచల నిలయం వైకుంఠపురవాసం.
Wow, what a rendition. Really amazing clarity in your voice and the sangatis that you sing. I'm very curious about the tala structure that you gave. So it was different from the regular Aditalam that we give for Venkatachala Nilayam, but then still it sounded interesting though.
Those were some wonderful performances. Time now for a small break. Welcome back to Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 4. Time to see our next batch of contestants.
ವಂದೇ ಕೂಗಳತೆ ವೈಕುಂಠ ವಂದೇ ಕೂಗಳತೆ ವೈಕುಂಠ ಸಂದೇಹವಿಲ್ಲವೋ ಸಾಧು ಸಜ್ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸಂದೇಹವಿಲ್ಲವೋ ಸಾಧು ಸಜ್ಜನರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕೂಗಳತೆ ವೈಕುಂಠ ಒಂದೇ ಕೂಗಳತೆ ಸರಸಿಯಲಿಯಾನೆ ಪೊರೆಯಂದು ಕರೆಯಲು ತ್ವರಿತದಿ ಬಂದು ನೀ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ಸರಸಿಯಲಿಯಾನೆ ಪೊರೆಯಂದು ಕರೆಯಲು ತ್ವರಿತದಿ ಬಂದು ನೀ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ನರಹರಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನರಹರಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಲಹೆಂದು ಚೀರಲು ನರಹರಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಲಹೆಂದು ಚೀರಲು ತರಳ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದನೆ ಕಂಬದಿಂದಲಿ ಬಂದೆ ತರಳ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದನೆ ಕಂಬದಿಂದಲಿ ಬಂದೆ ತರಳ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದನೆ ಕಂಬದಿಂದಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. Nice voice, nice rendition. All the best.
ಕೆ ಬಂಗಾರ ಮಾಯಣ್ಣ ಕೋದಂಡ ಪಾಣಿ ಪಲುಕೆ ಬಂಗಾರ ಮಾಯಣ್ಣ పలుకే బంగార మాయే పిలుచిన పలుకవేమి పలుకే బంగార మాయే పిలుచిన పలుకవేమి కలలోని నామస్మరణ మరవాచకని తండ్రి కలలోని పరవాచకనే తండ్రి.
Paluke Bangaramaina, very famous composition of Bhadrachala Ramadas. On any Ananda Bhairavi, we always sing this kind of kritis. Neatly presented, but it can be much, much more. And the presentation spirit is very good. But equally, you should also learn more of the traditional singing so that you can present the same song with a higher standard and your perception will really differ. So I suggest that you should learn Carnatic music and come out with more energy. Good luck.
காப்பதுவே உனது பாரம் காப்பதுவே உனது பாரம் காப்பதுவே உனது பாரம் காப்பதுவே உனது பாரம் வாய்ப்பதுவே உனது அருள் வாய்ப்பதுவே உனது அருள் வையகத்தை பாட செய்யும் தபமகரி சனி சகரி சமகரி சபமகரி பா சனி தபமகரி கம பத மப கமகரி சனி சகரி கம பத பசனி சமகரி சனி தப தபமகரி சகரி கமகா பதுவே உனது பாரம் காப்பதுவே உனது பாரம் இன்பம் என்பது அறியாதன் ஏழை ஏனை மயங்கிடாமல் பின் புகழை பாடிடவே புகழை பாடிடவே நெஞ்சில் ஊரை தஞ்சை ஹதீஷபா தபமகரி சனி சகரி சமகரி சபமகரி பா சனி தபமகரி கம பத மப கமகரி சனி சகரி கம பத பசனி சமகரி நிரி சனி தப.
Very nice Ananda Bhairavi. Good crisp rendition. Good grasp of her ragam. The talam was good and the shruti jnanam was good. Overall a neat performance.
पन्नवधरित कदामृतम् पन्नवधरित कदामृतम् युवकिलं उय्य विनैद कुदम् पन्नवधरित कदामृतम् युवकिलं उय्य विनैद कुदम् ஐயப்பன் அவதரித கதாமிருதம்.
You sang in Karagara Priya, a very rare composition. Your voice quality is very good. Still, you need perfection when rendering. So, practice well, you can do well. All the best.
ಯುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂದಾವರೆ ಮುಂದಾವರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಾವರೆ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಚಂದಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಲೆ ಬೆಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಂದಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಲೆ ಬೆಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ತುಳಸಿ ದಳವ ಮಾದಪ್ಪನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೂಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ.
Good singing, and you have a good layajnana because takkita takkadimi, that tempo was going on good, but equally you should also concentrate on the sur, on the shruti, and on the melody and the rhythm should go together. So you should practice more so that you can unite everything and many things, not only the shruti laya concept but also tempo and many things you'll explore when you start learning the traditional art form. Good luck.
मन शुद्धि इಲ್ಲದ ಬಗೆ ಮಂತ್ರದ ಫಲವೇನು ತನು ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಬಗೆ ತೀರ್ಥದ ಮಿಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಲವೇನು ಮೀನು ಮೊಸಳೆಯಂತೆ.
Very good voice. You have a good range also. What you need to work on is avoiding some unwanted notes as you sing a fast phrase. So, na na. So, when you travel that sa sa ri ga ma, the travel can be more perfect and precise. Otherwise, it was a very impressive rendition.
You sang Nagumomo in Haberi. Superb voice, very well rendered. All the best.
Those were some wonderful performances. Remember to keep yourself hydrated, stay home and stay safe. With that thought, let's take a small break. Welcome back to Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 4. Time to see our last batch of contestants.
கையினில் சூலமும் வாளும் ஏந்தி சக்தி எழுந்திட்டால் பாரதனே இனி அஞ்சிட வேண்டாம், புது யுகம் கண்டிடுவோம். கையினில் சூலமும் வாளும் ஏந்தி சக்தி எழுந்திட்டால் சத பகரி பகரி சத தசரி கபத கபதரி தச கரி சதரி ரீ ரீ ரி சத பசரி கரி கப கபத பதச. கையினில் சூலமும் வாளும் ஏந்தி சக்தி எழுந்தே தருமம் தாழ்ந்து அழிந்திடும் போதில் அன்னை கோலம் கொள்வாள். தரணி நடுங்கிட தாண்டவமாடி தாக்குதி குதக தாக்குதி குதக தாக்குதி குதக தத்தித்தோம் தத்தித்தோம் தகதலாங்குதோம் தத்தித்தோம் தகதலாங்குதோம் தலாங்கு தலாங்கு தலாங்குதோம் தலாங்கு 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 நம் தலாங்கு தலாங்கு தகதரி கிடதோ.
Very bold singing. I like the way you sing. but it can be much more, and you're also able to say the Konnakol very beautiful, because in mid part you were said talanga 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 dom tatit talang. You were able to do that, so you could select a nice song so that it can portray your singing nicely. Selection is very important, and when you are able to sing both Shruti and the Laya, you can choose a nice song so that it can portray your singing in a nice way. I'm sure you can take this feedback and come back with full force. Good luck.
Namah Sharada, Namah Sharada, Namah Sharada Mata, Namah Sharada, Namah Sharada, Namah Sharada Mata, Namah Sharada, Namah Sharada, Namah Sharada Mata, Namah Sharada, Namah Sharada, Namah Sharada Mata.
Good voice, good attempt, but then Shruti is the basic thing that you need to develop. You need to align yourself to Shruti.
Beautiful composition in Harikamboji. Your rendition was very nice, and also the bhavam was very good. Very involved sing. All the best.
Bro Bharama, very popular Bahudari composition of Tyagaraja. Very neatly presented. You have a good voice and the details are very nice. And your Karvai was very good. I'm sure you are learning Carnatic music. That really shows. That's the point that I was just highlighting with other participants. So when you learn Carnatic music from a teacher, it really shapes your music and your presentation and your outlook of your music perception altogether. That's the reason we always insist on learning the traditional music. It opens up the right brain, creative brain, so that you can connect within yourself. Good luck.
Good voice, but lot of practice required because this is a very tough competition where you have to explore lot of your manodharmam as well. So please keep working.
Govardhana Giridhare was very nice. Still, you have to concentrate to maintain the pitch. Only with practice you can do properly. Thank you.
मुखि मन्दहासमते मकुट शोभे मङ्गलाङ्गये रे विठोभारे कनि मकर कुण्डल काण्डीं कौस्तुभमणिं काशी पीताम्बर विठोभारे पाण्डुरङ्गये रे पाण्डुरङ्गये
Good singing. You have a good devotion in presenting the song. I see that there is a bhakti in the presentation, but you can do much more, and we expect little more as the other participants in this season and last season has been on the higher standard. We expect that. I'm sure you can do it. So keep practicing and come back with full force. Good luck.
समुद्रवना कंडु स्नानवमाडि समुद्रवना कंडु स्नानवमाडि चंद्रमौलीश्वर चरणगरगी चंद्रमौलीश्वर चरणगरगी आमेले ना बंधु अनंतेश्वरನ ಕಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾ ಬಂದು ಅನಂತೇಶ್ವರನ ಕಂಡು ಹನುಮಂತನ ಪಾಡಿ ಮನದಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ.
Good voice, but the basic of our singing is to sing on pitch. The Shruti, you need to work on that.
We watched some beautiful performances today. Let's end today's episode with a thought from the Bhagavad Gita. Every action is guided by nature's destiny. The fool who is filled with ego thinks that he is the doer. With that thought, let's end today's episode. This is Nitya signing off from Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 4. Namaste.